Good evening once more. So this is called 7minutedaily.com. It's like a webinar, I think, training. The great thing that these ones are on ClickBank, so it's their ClickBank Trusted Secure, it's their platform. No questions asked. If anyone purchases any product, they refund it in 60 days, not 30. 60, so that's like 7 weeks you've got to try it out, no matter what it is. So here it is, warning, perhaps you should have it red. Then you pay attention, you see a red sign, we go, oh, what is this? Then you watch out for it, but it's just me. Please watch the video by midnight, act now. It should really that colour, I think. But anyway, ordinary people generating online paychecks with just 7 minutes a day, so that's good that the brand is in colour. Please click the play button. Here's a warning. You can see red, we think. You need to pay attention, so this is the point. This will change your life. It's got the button click tap to watch now, and then he's wanting our email, so that's good because then if we don't buy it, you'll learn how they follow up. So if you perhaps look out the recommendation business in the description, or any business, you'll see how these guys do things. So let's take a look, a watch and listen, and we'll come back later on.
You probably haven't realized this yet, but you're extremely lucky to be here right now. If you're still able to watch this video, your life is going to be changed right this instant. In the next 5 minutes, you will discover how a small group of people are leveraging on a secret money-making method to make daily income online, just by spending as little as 7 minutes every day. But wait, I know what you're thinking right now. I bet you've gotten pretty skeptical about all these promises of instant riches. And that's great. The truth is that a little healthy skepticism is a good thing. I mean, I've fallen for many of those scams too. That's why I'm going to show you live, verified, ironclad proof on how you can start making your first profits online. However, do note that if it's $1 million that you're going after, then I would like you to exit this page right now, because it would be an outright lie if I promised that you'll become a millionaire overnight. However, if making $500 daily in online income is good enough for you, then pay very close attention to this presentation. Because the secret money-making system that I'm going to reveal to you is something you've never seen before. On top of that, it's 100% legal and ethical. And let me assure you that it has nothing to do with Bitcoin, Forex, Amazon, and paid surveys. And it's definitely not some MLM or some pyramid scheme BS. Now, I'll be honest, this system isn't for everyone. This is not for people who get excited being stuck in rush hour traffic on their way to work. This is also not for people who love working their ass off for someone else. And this is definitely...
So here it is, he's saying what it's not, the stuff we don't like, paid surveys, Bitcoin, all that sort of thing. And here's the social proof that sometimes I don't really pay much attention to be honest. And then, as I've said, well, you're no risk with make money guarantee, 6 days refunds. That's ClickBank to do that and not them. So let's put our email and see what happens. Okay, so it's like two things going on. Like you're on their list now, so if you don't purchase this today, you have to. It seems okay. It's not explained in full, but then I didn't put on the whole video. So it is only, what's that, £10 in your dollars, if that's, or euros is 15. It's really not a lot of money. Only do it if you can afford it. Try it out. You've got just under 2 months to try it out. See if this system is for you. So there'll be a link in the description. But if you wanted to really build an online business that is phenomenal, the link is in the description, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.